Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Now we are going to learn about Seaborn, bar plots and its customizations. Guys, you have not subscribed, please start subscribing and let us start with our topic right now. Now let us talk about bar plot of Seaborn library. We know the concept. So first we have to load we have to import the libraries. Then I have taken again tips dataset because it is always it is better to understand the concepts on one single dataset, and it will give more clear picture on like how to take in which condition what to take, what to consider, which plot to consider, right? So I have taken tip dataset. I am loading my dataset. Okay. Here again I am loading my dataset. Now we will go ahead. First, I am setting the theme of my plot. So for that we have sns.set theme, and I'm talking about white grid. So if we come down, you can see the theme is completely different, right? Like you are not getting that grid box, the typical grid box here. The theme is coming, in a different way, correct? It's completely, horizontal lines, no vertical lines are there. That means what it means is I have not taken any other grid. I have taken this theme. If you want grid, then you can just keep plt.grid. You can just give 2. Now we are creating our bar plot. What are the considerations we did here? We have taken figure size or the plot area. Okay. Then I am taking bar plot. sns.bar plot, sns.scatter plot. You can just remember like that: bar plot, scatter plot. Okay. Then I am taking my x-axis as day, y-axis is total bill. That means I am telling on which day my total bills are more, and who is giving that bill more. Which gender is giving that bill more? Is it male more or females more? Hue, I have given gender. Then data, df, estimator. Estimator is sum. That means I am telling based on the total count or the sum of that, it is going to give you the estimation. Then we have CI is none. That means confidence interval. Confidence interval by default it is 95%. If it is none means there is no confidence interval I am showing. That is a property which is available in case of bar plot. Palette again, it's a color bar. I am telling that all my like bars which are going to come, it is going to come in this color bar style. But this, and this is a by default one. Then I am customizing my plot. What are the things I am getting? I am getting my title. Okay, and I am telling my font size for the title is 16. X label, X axis label, day of the week, font size 12. Y of the label or Y axis label, Y label, total bill amount, font size 12. Legend, I am telling gender, customize legend title. If you will not keep also, it is not going to give any title there. It is just going to give you the legend. Then plt.show. Now if you will see this, see, it looks visually good, right? I mean, by importing that theme of Seaborn, we are getting visually good theme, right? And you can see that we are getting this, customized title, gender, right? And these are the legends, male and female. If you understand from this plot, what we are understanding, guys, on Sunday and Saturday, males are more, just the way we discussed in our scatter plot. You can relate to that. On Saturday and Sunday, males are more as compared to females, and males are giving more amount as compared to females. Here you can see they are giving almost 1200 total bill. And we saw in our scatter plot they are coming in a group of 3, 4, and that is the highest people came and have given more bills. And the amount which you are seeing here, total bill amount, that is your sum amount. Here the total bill which you are seeing, That is the sum of the amount. Sum of those particular days who came. It has summed it up and it has shown in this y-axis. And you can see total or the sum of the amount. But on Sunday, males have given more and almost 1200 bills, 1200 to 1400 bills they have given the amount. And on the other days, like in Thursday, if you will see, again males are more, again comparatively females have traveled more to the hotels and restaurants. Maybe they want to skip cooking dinners and lunches, right? Yeah, and Friday again, it is less. Weekends are more for males, I can see. Okay, so this is how we can understand our bar plot. Guys, you don't have to worry about this, remembering these syntaxes. You just need to remember the basic syntax, which is nothing but you have to create your plot. Sometimes, large data set will be there and you will not take that. It will look very clumsy. You won't be able to see what exactly is there in that plot. So at that time, you will adjust the fixed size. It will give you the correct plot area. Then in case of bar plot, just need the basic understanding. Okay, what is hue, what is size, all these things, because those are the repetitive things in all plots. Then what we need for customization, we need the basic things that are title, label, legend, and grid. If you'll remember these many things, it will be very easy to plot in all your data sets. Like whichever data set you will take, it is easier for you to plot and you need to practice it. So we will understand our next topic in our next video. Thank you. That is all for now. We will cover further topics in our upcoming videos. If you do not want to miss, guys, please start subscribing, like, share your comments, share your feedback. Till that time, see you. Bye. Take care.